Do you have a problem in your hair? Like hair loss and bald head? Before I will introduce to you to the product, let me give you some information that I discover regarding bald head. Baldness has nothing to do with the aging process or genetics. Instead, it is because of enzymes that instructing your hair follicles to stop producing new hair. Here is the study shows by Columbian University Medical Center released by Science Daily for your further information. Blocking enzymes in hair follicles promotes hair growth. To block these enzymes, here is the product for you. Introducing Ginger Germinal Oil. This essence oil can effectively nourish hair roots. It penetrates the scalp and strengthens the hair roots. Furthermore, achieve hair growth and solidification. Ginger Germinal Oil, made of 100% natural ingredients. Polygonum multiflorum, its roots are highly valued for their healing properties in ancient Chinese medicine. The active compound of the plant extract exerts an effect on two proteins that are present on hair follicles during their resting telogen state. Angelica sinensis is known as Danggi in traditional Chinese medicine. Angelica root has an excellent anti-inflammatory profile. Ginseng has been mounting evidence suggesting that its major bioactive constituents, ginsenosides, promote hair growth by enhancing proliferation of dermal papilla and preventing hair loss. Ginger boosts hair growth, reduces hair loss, makes hair soft and shiny, and get rid of dandruff. Here, how to use it. Use this product in the hair loss area. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it in your hair for 4 hours to penetrate in your scalp. Rinse deeply. For better results, use it for 2 to 3 times a day. Here are the results of the people who are using the Ginger Germinal Oil. If you think this video give value to you, please hit the subscribe button below so that if there will be new upcoming video, you will be the first to notify. Please comment below if you have any questions or reactions. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.